and welcome to News 90. This is Ananya. The Supreme Court showed concern over the misuse of anti-dowry law. Let's have a look at the report. The Opposition India bloc in Maharashtra plans to move the Supreme Court over alleged tampering of electronic voting machines in the recent assembly elections. Prashant Jagdap, leader of the NCP Sharad Pawar, who lost the assembly elections from the Hadaspur seat in Pune, has announced the decision against the Election Commission. As per the report of the news agency, the moves followed after a meeting with NCP SP Chief Sharad Pawar, AAP Governor Arvind Kejriwal, and noted lawyer and Congress leader Abhishek Singhvi. Pawar has been meeting different leaders of this party who lost the assembly elections. The India bloc has accused the BJP-led Mahayuti coalition of tampering with the EVMs, which resulted in the defeat. The last month's election, the BJP-led Mahayuti coalition secured 235 seats in the 288 members assembly, while the opposition Mahavikas Agnati alliance won only 46. Additionally, Kejriwal raised concerns about the discrepancies in voter list in Delhi, where assembly elections are scheduled early next year. Sharad Pawar alleges discrepancies in votes of EVMs previously on November 30. Nationalist Congress Party President Sharad Pawar alleged discrepancies in votes of electronic voting machines in Maharashtra assembly polls. However, he said he did not have any proof in this regard to substantiate his claims. Following this, the Shiv Sena leader hit back at Pawar for just blaming something after the Maharashtra loss, asking him why did he not take any action on the during